faucets.
It looks like Mr. Clean has won everything.
The cleaning games are finished.
And so are we.
Thanks to the more you done on the cabinet. Clean more, work less with the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Extra Power.
I'm Jennifer Hudson. I hate getting up in the morning. I love bread. I love cheese. Did I say I love chocolate? I'm human. And the new Weight Watchers 360 program lets me be. The reason I'm still in this body feeling so good isn't because I never go out and enjoy the extra large, extra cheese world we live in. It's because I do. And you can too. Because when a weight loss program is built for human nature, you can expect amazing. Introducing the new Weight Watchers 360 program. Join for free and expect amazing. Because it works.
What if you could turn your lights on from a completely different city? Tell your front door to lock itself and secure your home. You can check in on your kids when you can't be there. Now you can with Vivint. Simple, affordable home automation. It's the power to control and protect your home when you're not even there. If you're a homeowner, call or click now to learn how you can get this kind of convenience and control in your home. Vivint is home automation created for today's world. It's wireless. It all starts here with Vivint's intelligent touchscreen that lets you turn off your lights, adjust your thermostat, arm your security system, literally manage any gadget in your home, and control it all through your laptop, smartphone, or tablet. Vivint received the Consumer Digest Best Buy Award for their full home automation package. Call now and see how you can get all of this for a one-time activation fee of just $1.99. With Vivint, you get more than control over your home. You get a state-of-the-art security system, which means your home is protected every second of every day by Vivint's monitoring centers. In case of fire, intruder, or medical emergency, Vivint will notify the appropriate authorities for you and let you know instantly by phone call, text, and email alerts. Customize your system with video cameras, motion detectors, smoke alarms, door and window sensors, lighting and small appliance control, and more. Call now to get your equivalent of your first month free. With Vivint, you get everything you need to make sure your family and home are safe and secure. You can also save up to 20% of your home insurance. Make a big difference in your energy bill, so the system practically pays for itself. Convenience, control, and security, month after month, all for about $2 a day. Why wait? If you're a homeowner, call or click now to customize a system for your home and get your first month free.